Replace the spark plugs with me on my GMC 1986 S15. This is the old one I just had on. We're putting on this one. How the fuck? It's not that hard, guys, I promise. Oh. I think that's good. Oh, fuck. Oh. So we're gonna put this grease thing on here. That's how I change my spark plugs. Honestly, these look a bit different from the ones that I just put on, but we're gonna find out and see if they work. We're gonna go test drive her and see if everything's okay. She's starting to feel a bit smoother. Oh yeah, she is. That definitely made a difference. It's my first time actually working inside an engine. Yeah, guys. See you on the next one.